In the world of content creation and digital marketing, SEO is everything. SEO means search engine optimization and is the process used to optimize content so it becomes easily findable, more relevant, and popular towards user search queries, and most importantly, ranks higher in search engines like Google, Bing, etc. There are many SEO professionals who are experts in researching and analyzing the right keywords and strategies to rank the content, but with the help of artificial intelligence, the process and results are taken to a whole another level. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of the popular AI SEO tools used in the digital marketing industry. Number 1. Frase. This is an AI SEO software that helps you to create content that is aligned with user intent. It helps you write better articles to rank on the first page of Google. It improves SEO and drives conversion by using AI to answer your visitors' questions by easily identifying the questions your target audience is asking online. It then quickly creates optimized content capable of answering those questions. Some of the features of Frase are: 1. It has an automated question research system. 2. Frase gives content briefs to help you understand what to write. 3. It helps you optimize your content so it reaches your target audience. 4. It lets you know what people are searching for on the internet. Number 2. MarketBrew. MarketBrew is artificial intelligence software for SEO that allows you to track and reveal algorithmic updates for any search engine. It helps you increase your rankings on Google, Bing, and other search engines. It provides you with concise, calibrated AI reports with actionable SEO data and reliable ranking insights. It provides the user with a precise description of what distinguishes the first result on Google from the second one. It points out differences and recommendations on content and description for keywords. This cuts off the time that a user spends manually analyzing the inner workings of search results. Some of the features of MarketBrew are: 1. Their search engine modeling gives you accurate insights. 2. It has neutral network crawlers that stay on top of search changes. 3. It offers data into on-page and off-page metrics. 4. They offer the simulation of the competition. Number 3. Surfer SEO. This leading SEO tool helps writers and digital marketers optimize their content strategies. Surfer SEO uses artificial intelligence to enable users to build quality backlinks, increase traffic to their sites, and scale business outreach. Surfer SEO lets you write data-driven content that will make it to the front page of search engines. You can import your article into Surfer SEO and it will give you specific recommendations on what to improve to rank more. This includes alternative keywords to target and missed content opportunities. You won't have to create a content strategy on your own. Surfer SEO can help you map out a plan that's adjusted to your audience, niche, and domain. Some of the features of Surfer SEO are: 1. It generates a content strategy that suits your domain. 2. The actionable audit will help to take over your niche. 3. Surfer SEO supports multiple languages. Number 4. Alli AI. This is an SEO tool that offers several AI-powered SEO features to improve and optimize your website content strategies. The tool provides the user with an easy and powerful way to increase traffic, build quality backlinks, and scale business outreach. It is an all-in-one SEO tool that uses and promotes artificial intelligence to make smart decisions. You can add a line of code to your website and automatically apply SEO improvements through JavaScript from within Alli. Some of the features of Alli AI are: 1. It has a built-in link indexer tool. 2. Alli uses automatic keyword optimization. 3. It uses AI for brand building. 4. It offers competitor analysis per domain. Number 5. Can I Rank? Can I Rank is an automated AI SEO tool that recommends keywords to target and pages to optimize. It also analyzes your competitors' backlinks and makes recommendations on websites to target for link building. Can I Rank uses AI to gather information from various websites, then takes the extra step to elaborate with suggestions. Their artificial intelligence method works with providing users with data that leads them in the right direction to boost their content. Some of the features of Can I Rank are: 1. It offers smart A/B testing. 2. It has a really good data visualization. 3. It offers other external integrations. 4. You get automatic outreach link recommendations. Number 6. Morpheo AI. Morpheo is an AI SEO tool for digital marketers that enables them to scale their data analysis efforts. Morpheo also tracks your competitors' rank changes automatically so that you know how to capitalize. With hands-on data analytics automation, users receive real-life action items that help improve their rankings quickly. With a proprietary algorithm, users receive constant insights that can boost their bottom line. Some of the features of Morpheo AI are: 1. You can track customer journeys to understand your sales funnel quicker. 2. It has a beautiful dashboard that lets you keep track of important information fast. 3. You get performance metrics on your website's traffic. 4. It has predictive analytics to suggest where your effort should be spent. Number 7. BrightEdge. BrightEdge does an awesome job helping you with SEO and content performance marketing through their hyperlocal add-in, which allows users to map out keywords in a specific region. Its content recommendations give users the opportunity to read through precise suggestions on each page. It personalizes each page on your site according to what that specific page contains. The platform provides a unique way to view how various SEO changes impact the brand. Story Builder combines data from several pieces of the website to create aesthetic tables and charts, making it easier to decipher the data. Some of the features of BrightEdge are: 1. It contains several modules to optimize content. 2. It offers site reporting to keep track of your progress. 3. Its intent signals feature makes sure your pages meet Google's needs. Number 8. Ink. This AI SEO tool is a word editor that lets you write content faster and smarter to optimize your SEO. By entering your focus keyword, Ink optimizes it while you write. It also recommends similar keywords to target and scores your article by its chance to rank in the top 10 of Google. It makes sure you use your focus keyword properly and knows the related terms you need to hit as well. Ink uses AI and natural language processing to analyze your text. Also, you can write directly into the editor or import files from a URL, HTML file, or text file. Some of the features of Ink are: 1. Ink automatically optimizes your focus keywords. 2. Users can copy-paste from Word documents into Ink. 3. It highlights spelling and grammar suggestions, overuse of adverbs, hard-to-read sentences, and passive voice. 4. It calculates your readability grade and your use of headings and sections. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.